You heard it right. I'm going vegan for the month of September. So I told some of my friends that I was going vegan for September, and they had mixed reactions. So that was 6 years ago. What had happened was... Alright, let's get the elephant in the room. Before I can even discuss being a travel vlogger, I have to, basically explain what happened. Long story short, I did go vegan. I went vegan for 63 or 67 days, actually. I did really well. My kids were much younger at the time. And what happened was, one, I did lose some weight. Two, it got harder at the end. The first 30 days was a piece of cake. But when you have to cook your meal and then other kids' meal and their meal what you want to eat, and then you have your friends teasing you at every chance. I remember we went to this Irish pub, and as soon as the waiter came by, everybody's getting meat, and they're like, "Oh, he'll have some grass," and that's pretty much what it was the entire time. And I just got tired of it. Was it a good experience? Sure. Will I ever do it again? No. As you can see, I lost weight in different ways. Fasting. If I'm gonna throw this onto the unmasked vlog and call it something different. Boots on the ground, I think. I have to, of course, address the fact that it's been 6 years since my last vlog, and I never gave any update about what happened with being vegan. Again, good experience. The plant-based diet is okay. Some things I really enjoyed, like zucchini spaghetti or squash spaghetti when you turn it into that. I enjoyed this like pesto peanut potato dish. It was good. The meals were a little longer to make because you have to go through a lot more steps to make them. And I know I showcased some of them on the Keeping Up the Geek Bros podcast at the time. But yeah, it was different. It was different, and I enjoyed it, but I never do it again. I like chicken and fish. Not necessarily red meat, but I'm a chicken and fish kind of guy. What else? What else do I want to discuss about that? Nothing! Podcast I was associated with it for making the beans ended a while ago, maybe shortly afterwards. So that kind of ended it. And the Janine, the friend that I had, she moved on. She's a mom now and is killing it. So I haven't heard from her in a while. So other than that whole vegan experience and vegan podcast, that whole era of Vibe Studios kind of ended around the same time. So. Why?
Bro, I think you need help. I think you're trying to impress the wrong girl.
Vegan for a month? I love it! Plant-based diet, oh!
Good luck. Let me know how it turns out.
Jason going vegan?
What? That's awesome.
As a licensed sports nutritionist, I do not support him going vegan for a month. But whatever. He's my friend. You know what? Actually, I do support him. He's my friend. He doesn't know what he's doing, but...
And if you get any superpowers, or magic vegan powers and stuff like that, so...
You're a wannabe vegan. Talking about all this, I'm gonna go vegan for a month. Bro, you ain't gonna last a month. I might hack your food and put some meat sauce on that.
You're still crazy, dude.
It's really funny. Cause you like eating.
My friends are so supportive. Thank you.
You're gonna go vegan. You're gonna go vegan. Vegan!